How can innovative teaching methods move beyond theory to transform classrooms and improve learning outcomes? That's a central question at the heart of discussions during the 7th edition of Rethinking Education Conference in Yaounde.
The idea behind Teach Connect was to actually link, two generations of teaching and people who had gone into the profession before and those who are emerging. So it was to find a blend between aligning those two groups because you had people with more experience, most people more innovative.
Running from July 30 to August 1st, the conference has brought together teachers, school leaders, policymakers, researchers, education technology developers, non-governmental organizations, and parents to explore practical solutions for the future of education.
I have been a victim of a poor system of education whereby I was not able to get a job because I lacked skills. So when I found myself in that particular situation, I told myself it's good that I be a teacher so that I can teach children that will be prepared for life skills and not just for certification.
Now in its 7th edition, the conference is placing emphasis on strengthening the connection between innovative pedagogy, curriculum development, assessment, educational leadership and policy to ensure lasting impact in classrooms.
Here we are in contact with stakeholders in the educational sector that better understand the pedagogy, that better understand the students. So it is just a means for us to get to know what we can do to better ameliorate what the services we are offering, to know what are the real needs of the teachers, what are the needs of the students.
The British Council in Cameroon is kind of keen on aspects of education. In Cameroon, for example, we work with aspects of teacher development, which is one of the major focus of Teach Connect in all its rekindled education. Because if you go to a classroom, it doesn't change people. It is the teacher. Then his or her teaching goes beyond just that classroom to revamping maybe the community and the entire society and the nation at large.
Organizers and partners say they expect the conference to produce practical recommendations, foster stronger partnership, and inspire sustainable reforms that will improve teaching and learning outcomes in Cameroon and beyond.
Society is already digitalizing itself from healthcare, agriculture, fintech. In fact, if you remember Express Union, now they're almost obsolete due to MTN, Orange, and mobile money. And we will get there someday. And we need people who are actually forward-looking and how can use technology appropriately and ethically to actually bridge this accessibility gap, but also provide access to people to build true capabilities.
The 7th Rethinking Education Conference continued through August 1st with technical sessions, panel discussions, and collaborative workshops aimed at shaping more effective and inclusive education systems.